Girl's best friend. Diamonds. Diamonds. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here with another upload. If you are new, thank you for tuning in. Go ahead, click that subscribe button. For all my return watchers, I love you guys so much. Thank you for the continuous support. It's Labor Day weekend. Gonna go meet my girls in the city. No, is it? Are we going to the city? I don't even know where we're going. But I'm supposed to be leaving at 10:30. It's 10:22. So you already know how that goes. So in this video, I'm actually switching up my technique just a little bit with applying my base and foundation. And I really like it. I'm not mad at it at all. And I was so lucky enough to receive some lashes. Well, it's actually the same lash. I just got like 2 pairs. And these are from a lash brand called Girls Best Friends. And just look at the packaging, like a girl's best friend. Clearly a diamond. Diamonds are girls' best friends, hence the name. And once you open it, you get like a very pretty glitter inside. The sides are glitter. Very cute, very creative. I really like this. Diamonds. Diamonds. So these are the lashes that I have on right now. These are the style GBF, Girl's Best Friend. I think they have a few more styles to choose from. And it is a black owned company and they are just starting up. You know, I'm just so honored that they reached out to me to get my feedback on their lashes. And so far, I don't have any complaints. Like, these are drama. Very wispy, very full. I like it. And I like the lash band. The lash band is like not too thick, but it's not a thin band, so it's like perfect for me. But yeah, so if you want to see how I achieve this look, then continue to watch. But first, please make sure to subscribe, hit that notification bell, like, comment, share, and enjoy the video. And here we have the final look. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I'm not going to ramble too much. Just one more thing, I definitely put the @name for the lash brand in my description bar, so please make sure to check them out, follow them on Instagram, order you some lashes, you know. Who is blasting? Alright now. So once again, thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next upload. Love you guys.